Are you a young entrepreneur with a vision, one that's both profitable and sustainable? NPCS invites you to explore a business idea that's growing fast in relevance and revenue, starting your own organic fertilizer enterprise. In today's world, the harmful impact of chemical fertilizers on soil, water, and human health is more visible than ever before. But out of this problem comes a powerful solution: organic fertilizers made from compost, animal manure, and plant residues. These natural alternatives are gaining ground in farming, gardening, and land reclamation projects worldwide. Why is this business so promising? Because the demand is booming. More and more people are choosing chemical-free food, farmers are turning to natural soil enrichment, and governments are stepping in with subsidies, support programs, and certifications to promote sustainable farming practices. But there's more to it. This business model doesn't just help the planet, it gives back to people. Organic fertilizer production often involves turning local waste into valuable resources, creating jobs in rural areas, and helping build a more circular economy. According to market research, the global organic fertilizer market was valued at $9.2 billion in 2022, and it's on track to double, reaching $18.8 billion by 2030. That's a major opportunity for early movers. Countries across Asia, especially India, are leading the way. Europe and North America are also seeing strong growth, driven by environmental concerns and the move towards sustainable agriculture. What kinds of products are in demand? The industry offers a diverse range: vermicompost, biofertilizers, cow dung and poultry manure, bone meal, liquid organic fertilizers. And there's room for innovation too: garden fertilizer starter kits, home delivery services, even export-ready packaged solutions featuring traditional recipes. Getting started doesn't require a massive investment. The setup is relatively simple. You'll need equipment like compost pits, shredders, dryers, packaging units. The process is straightforward but must be done right. 1. Waste collection. 2. Composting. 3. Curing. 4. Drying. 5. Packaging. With smart marketing, proper setup, and a clear business plan, the profit margins are strong, and the market is only getting bigger. So why wait? NPCS is here to guide you at every step, from detailed market research and cost estimation to process design and business setup. Whether you're planning a small local unit or dreaming of a larger scale operation, we offer the tools and support you need to succeed. If you've been thinking about starting something that truly makes a difference, now's the time. Reach out to NPCS through the contact details below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into profitable, sustainable business ideas. Let's build a greener tomorrow together.